Hello, hello, little stars! Welcome to the Yo-Yo Funny channel. Today we're learning the colors of our beautiful Indian flag. Are you ready? Let's go!
Orange, orange, bright and bold. Saffron is the color we hold. It reminds us to be brave and strong. White, white, clean and bright. Peace and truth shine like a light. Green, green, fresh and bright. Right! Growth and nature, what a sight.
Which color is on top?
Saffron!
Which color is in the middle?
White!
Which color is at the bottom?
Green! Saffron, white and green we see India's flag. Learn and laugh comes channel makes learning fun. Bye-bye little learners. See you next time.